everyone, today I would like to make a Mother's Day salad. This is for all the hardworking moms out there, so Daz, if you're watching this, give it a try. This is your Mother's Day salad. Happy Mother's Day! And you're done. Now, the salad's done and on to dressing. Today I'll be showing you how to make carrot apple dressing. The main ingredients are carrots, apples, soy sauce, and a little bit of garlic. Here we go. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks everyone for watching until the end. I hope your wife or a special someone can enjoy this salad. It's very refreshing, especially during the summer when it's hot. So I also wanted to give a special thanks to my sister who gave me these amazing flowers. Lots of pink rose, tulips, and flowers I wish I knew the names of, but they're very pretty. So this is awesome. Thanks, sister. And for everyone else, see you guys soon.